All right, what is going on, guys? Today, I'm not doing PT because one of the troops are going to the field and they have to dispatch their vehicles. So I will be the one QAQCing and looking over the vehicles. So we're doing that right now. It's early. It's about 5:30. So yeah, it's summer. Sun comes out real early. But hopefully it's gonna be a good day. Should be a normal motor pool day. And we'll see how it goes. So if you guys are enjoying these semi-daily uploads, please give it a like and comment down below what kind of things you want to see on the channel, and subscribe to keep up with the content. Gotta bring this thing to get a wash. Mad pollen. Cutting the grass and stuff next to my car. And the wife. Alright, so right now, jumping trucks with sleeve cables. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. But basically, put a sleeve cable. So it's closed. At the other end. You can barely squeeze between these. This is all tangled. Wait, let me untangle this. Alright, so I untangled it. And I have to get this to the other side. Just pulling it through. Just gonna get it to where I can grab it when I'm over there. And then walk around, start this thing up. The leg day the other day, the leg was so beat. Oh, it's tight over here. Come on. What am I stuck on? We can start this thing. It does not sound like it wants to run. It sounds like it hasn't ran in a long time. You see how aggressive that ladle is. You can barely fit. Sleeve cables are so annoying. Alright, I'll just put this in here for now until we need them. So this is the truck I just jumped, and that is the voltmeter. So I'm guessing that the generator or alternator is bad. Depends how you call it. On these trucks it's a generator, but it's making weird noises. Just make sure everything's tight. Yeah, everything seems tight. Oh, this is loose. Oh, no, it's not. I think just the connection on it is bad. Like, you can still move it a lot. But,
probably just bad. Looks like it's making a weird noise. I gotta let NCO know. So I took the bolt off of the other generator, and this is a different style generator. It's bigger, but it's completely different. Because this one, I don't know if you saw, it's backed out. It was only on up to here and it wouldn't go on anymore. But I don't know. I don't think it's the right one. It looked weird to me. At least. Yeah. Because it wasn't going on all the way. Literally stood in line for the defact for 15 minutes. But reactors. What's up, bro? Waterfall Monday, bro. What are you doing?
Hey, what?
Waterfall Monday, what are you doing?
MCSing, bro.
MCSing? President, what are you doing? That's what's up. Another day, another dog. Hot out. You gonna do it? All right, order a new truck.
I got you, bro.
You gonna get me a PS5?
Yeah, I got PS5. $800 bro.
800?
No. Yeah, for real. It's missing J-Pose.
That's the deadline. Yeah. They're right there, actually.
What?
That's operator level, though. You're gonna deadline this truck, bro?
Well, I'm not deadlining the truck.
Whose truck is it?
The one running right now. This dude.
Specialist? Yeah, tell him to put those J-bolts in. Or one of his soldiers, too. I do a toolbox tour. Let's see. Let's see what you got. Usually, tape measure, Allen key set, 1/4" ratchet. That's a 1/4" screwdriver. 1" extension. I think this is a 1/4" extension right here. Forget. Feeler gauge. This is a light. Forget what this is here. This isn't my box, so there's like nothing in it. It's a Torx bit. This goes here. Another 1/4" extension goes here. I think this is a file kit. Spinner wrench, mirror, 6" ruler, crescent or moon wrenches, and a brush. This is for like a saw. So like a bunch of different punches and files. Horse file, rat tail file, different punches. I think there's a chisel. Yep. This is for the saw thing. Different handle. This goes in here. Spatula or whatever, putty knife. And pry bars. Wrenches, vice grips. It's supposed to be diagonal cutters and pliers. Needle nose. These are pliers, these are diagonal cutters. Needle nose, small, crescent, or adjustable. Channel locks, oil filter, pliers, bigger, crescent. These are your standard sizes. I don't know why it's not coming out. Something's stuck. But you also have these for your fittings, line wrenches. Big ones too. Metric set. Also, you have open-ended, dual open-ended, and then another dual open-ended. This is your battery wrench. This is a 1/2 and a 9/16. Deep sockets, 3/8 drive, 3/8 breaker bar. It's supposed to be a 1/2-inch breaker bar right here. This is a 1/2-inch extension, 1/2-inch section, 1/2-inch extension, 2 Allen keys. What is this called? Speed wrench, pretty sure. 3/8 extension. I think it's a Torx bit. And then usually you'd have your shallow 3/8, but no one ever has them. I only have a few. This is all messed up. This is all your 1/2-inch sockets. Hammer, which is a little messed up, so RTV and whatnot, because people don't know what a chisel is. And usually you'd have one of these, so you can change the bit. It's ratcheting, it's pretty sick. I have like 5 of them. Phillips, flat, Phillips, 1/2-inch ratchet. This should be a Phillips, and this should be a flat. And this is your 1/2-inch 10 mil or 3/8. Usually it's a 10 mil. Yeah, this is your Toolbox Tour. And it has everything, all the names, part numbers of all the tools that's in it, and where they're supposed to be. Same thing with here, it's a tool tray. That's how it's supposed to look. Also muscle meter. 15 for a 1/2 shaft bolts. Yeah. It's on top, all the way. Also extra wheels. And you just mainly have this, like mine, I have tire irons on top. This isn't my set though. Oh yeah, they have this too. Forgot about this. This is for safety wire, I think it's called. But basically, tie the wire. So you're able to tie it and cut it. These are sick, I love these. These are the pliers, diagonal cutters that he was missing. That's short. Like that. You know, keeping it simple. Bro, if you're lactose intolerant, what do you do?
It's easy, bro.
Just tolerate it.
Just tolerate it, dude. What if you can't sleep?
Just sleep.
What the fuck?
If you can't sleep, just go to sleep.
So easy.
What else? What other things do we say?
If I come in a girl, just come in there again. And
If you're hungry, bro, just
go eat. Like, I don't know what people are like. Oh, I'm so hungry. Dude, just go eat. So is that kind of me going to get meal preps instead of going to work out?
Bro, we going to the defect today?
Are you hungry right now?
Yeah.
We.
I already ate one, bro.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What'd you eat for breakfast?
Huh?
What'd you eat for breakfast?
Bro, a small serving of oatmeal.
Let's go to the defect and then we'll go to the gym.
I need to get meal preps, bro.
Yeah, we'll go to the defect and we'll go to the gym.
Yeah, but I can't stay there. I have to just get meal preps and eat.
Yeah, no. That's what
You're
I
gonna
do.
stay there and eat.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Bro, I eat in like 2 minutes.
No, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the defect right there, get meal preps, and be right back.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it to go, and then I'll come back.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
You're not.
Yes. Promise.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a smoothie. Hey, Vasquez, you think if I ask the girl if it's a single, if I ask her to spit in my smoothie, you think she will? I want to, man.
Bro, she was working the weekend.
Can't be happy? Okay. I took my medicine.
Yeah. Alright, just finishing this up today. Just got this new one on. For some reason, the old bolts didn't fit, so I put new ones in. Bolt nut washers. So right now I'm tightening the Axle nut. Oof. Trying to do this with one hand. And it won't ratchet yet. I guess not tight enough to ratchet. So I'll do it like this.
There's a lip. There's a lip. Hold on. There. That's like the corner.
It'll just cut in half.
Lift it up, bro. Alright. Grab it, dude. Yeah, there you go. You just throw it on the ground. You can just drive it like this. Right?
Yeah, just wear glasses. Alright, so just have to put on the calipers, and I'm pretty sure this is done. Oh, there's a bolt missing from the top one. It's probably around here somewhere. And then these, the covers. So let's get to it. See if I can get it.
You must do the 60 days.
Handlebars are loose, but it's still